Hello, and welcome to the Imagine Products YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some helpful tools and advanced features in ShotPut Pro 2025 that can make your workflow more efficient and give you deeper insight into your media and job history. First, we'll look at two tools you can find by selecting a connected drive from the list on the left. Once making your selection, you'll see multiple icons in the upper right corner, allowing you to perform speed tests and create index reports. Let's start with speed benchmarking. To test the speed of a drive, click the speedometer icon near the top of the app. This will open a flyout menu where you can choose a test file size and add verification. Once you've made your selections, click Run Test to begin. The test will display real-time read and write speeds for your selected drive. When the test finishes, a pop-up will appear with detailed results. You can also view your past test history here. If you want to access the speed test history without running a new test, go to the top menu bar, open the window menu, and select Speed Tests. Keep in mind that changing other settings, like concurrent reads and writes or buffer size, may affect your drive speeds. Be sure to test any adjustments before adding them to your live workflow. Now let's look at drive indexing. This tool lets you generate a report of all files on a drive, ideal for cataloging or archiving. To use it, click the button directly to the right of the speed test icon. A Finder window will open where you can select the destination to output the report to. After confirming, a report job will appear in your queue and will automatically generate an index report. You can select the job in the queue to view the report or open it directly in Finder. While we're here, let's talk about the job queue. Anytime you start a job, it will appear in the queue on the right side of the screen. Each job shows its current status using both color and text, along with an estimated time remaining. Right-clicking on a job's progress bar opens options to cancel, pause, or resume the job. If you pause a job, ShotPut Pro will wait until the current file finishes copying before stopping. You can resume the job later at any time. Now let's move to the filter and sort tools. To customize how your jobs are displayed, click the filter icon at the bottom right of the queue. This opens a pop-up where you can filter jobs by status and reorder them by start time or size. To see a full list of previous copy jobs, click the history icon to the left of the filters icon. This will switch the queue to show completed, errored, and canceled jobs within a selected time range. By default, jobs are grouped by the day they were completed, but you can change this by clicking the filter icon again. Click on any job to see its metadata, as long as the drive it was copied from is still connected. In the bottom section of the interface, you can switch between job flow, job tree, and report preview, just like you would immediately after a job completes. You can also select multiple jobs at once, either by clicking the date header or by using shift-click or command-click. When you do, ShotPut will display combined totals for the selected jobs. One of the most useful features when working with multiple jobs is the wrap report. A wrap report lets you compile multiple jobs into a single detailed report, perfect for the end of a shoot or project. To create one, select the jobs you want included, then click Generate Report at the bottom of the queue. A pop-up will appear where you can name the report and choose the format: PDF, CSV, or TXT. By default, the name will be Summary followed by the time range. You'll also see a section for media analysis. Selecting Always will reprocess all metadata and thumbnails for the selected jobs. This is a good choice if you had thumbnails in the original job, but they came out corrupted. Choosing When Missing Thumbnails will only regenerate thumbnails if none exist. If you're confident everything is intact, select Never Rerun Media Analysis, and this will create a new report using the original metadata and thumbnails. Below that, you can select how jobs are sorted in the final report, either by start time or by size. Keep in mind that this affects the file details section of the report, not the media files themselves. There's also a section for report notes where you can enter custom information like project names, production details, or DIT contact info, whatever you want to appear in the report header. Once everything is set, click Generate, choose a save location, and the report job will begin. To track its progress, click the report icon in the queue. When it's finished, click the eye icon to open the location where the report was saved and view your final document. These tools, speed testing, indexing, job filtering, and wrap reports, can help you better manage your data, troubleshoot your workflow, and keep clean, professional documentation of your work. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, imagine together.